Alrighty, we're working on the old tractor motor here, the L28. This thing's always had a bit of a miss at idle. We kind of traced it back to these connectors for the injectors. There's one that actually had a fair amount of corrosion in there, as you can see. I mean, the injector also had the same level of corrosion, which isn't great, but it seems to be running fine. But yeah, we got this style, which is it's like I got them for the 300 ZX, the Z32, just over there. You can see the roof of it beside the Toyota pickup, and they weren't right. The 300 just has a little bit of a longer, I guess, connector. So these ones didn't, or those ones didn't work. But luckily these are a direct replacement. So yeah, I cut them off, soldered them on, used the solder heat shrink connectors. We're still gonna get some harness tape, wrap it up, and then she'll be all nice and looking all right. But yeah, did that, and then we just put a piece of fuel injection hose in here because it's the only hose I had that was the right size, and a couple clamps, and bing bang boom, that's on. So yeah, it's just a little bit of tinkering. So yeah, if you got a weird misfire, I mean, check your injector clips. These ones are nice because they don't have the these guys that always go flying. Now there's some that have the rounded over ends, and you can kind of click it out and it just rests right there. But these straight shot ones, they just go flying. I mean, I'm gonna keep those because the rest of the car has these connectors, and this has been a thing for Nissan until the late 90s, early 2000s, where they went to a more standard or newer style connector. But yeah, that's where we're at. Any questions, put them down below. Anything you want to see done on the car, I mean, put it down below, and I'll try to do it for you. Yeah, smell you later.